I'm sliding out. That is crazy. I don't even have any knobbies left. Oh! Have you guys ever wondered if the ceramic coating that goes on your car works just as well on a dirt bike? I wondered the same question. So today we're gonna spray ceramic coating all over my KX450 and take it through the mud and see how it does. I also have Andrew helping me today. He's also gonna be riding my pit bike and we're gonna take him through the trails and see how he likes it. So I had a company called NextGen reach out. They're like, we make ceramic spray and we're gonna send you a bottle and make your old goofy machine out there looking nice and spiffy. I was like, well, Dale, yeah, send me a bottle because I had one. I actually ceramic sprayed my car with a different brand before. That was almost a year ago. These ceramic sprays don't last but a couple months and I never reapplied it. So my car needs it bad and we're gonna see if the water beads up when we're done. Like, wow, Ryan, that was a really cool transition. We're at the cool part now, the part where you guys have all been waiting for. We're taking this stuff and we're gonna put it on my dirt bike and see if it makes a difference. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. What the f? So I've used SC1 in the past, that stuff works great, but I've always wondered, does an actual ceramic coating that you put on your car work better than SC1? Today we're gonna find out. So I guess let's just get to work. Let's just start spraying here. So the same way we did it on the car, we're just gonna spray some on here. We're gonna rub it in and then take our drying towel. So you need a completely separate towel and then you're gonna wipe it back off, buff it off basically. And now it looks the same. It feels the same. I don't know, let's keep going.
No,
let's see if,
remember, you gotta get a new one now. That's dirty.
it's plastic. It's not paint. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't know how this is gonna work because that stuff is designed for your paint and this is plastic. So I honestly though, it kind of feels smooth. Like it actually feels more slippery than it did before. I don't know. Feels like it's working. Yeah. Wax on. Wax off. Do we do the seat? I don't think we do the seat. It may lose some grippage. I think we're gonna skip out on the seat. I feel like that'd just be a waste. The way we're gonna compare this as well is I know how I usually spray SC1 on my bike usually every time I ride. We don't have any right now, so instead I was like, oh, I'll just use this. So we're gonna see the difference. Oh, I think SC1 is more expensive actually, and doesn't last as long. It usually only lasts maybe a ride. With this stuff, when you wash it, it won't come off. It's gonna stay on there, I think. It's also plastic and works different than paint, so who knows? I don't fucking know. I guess we're gonna find out. Today's a big experiment. I don't wanna get it close to my brakes, so I don't put a coating on my brake rotors here. Make sure you wipe good. You don't wanna leave any residue.
Wax on, wax off.
Wax on, wax off. Mr. Miyagi! All right, we're done. So, first impressions. It looks the exact same.
We gotta get that B-roll.
Boom. Oh, let me see it. You gotta do the Garrett Porter B-roll.
I don't understand that inside joke.
Enough f***ing around. Why am I so close? God, I looked up and I like got cross-eyed for a second. All right, let's go test this thing out. Oh, I forgot the exhaust. Well, I don't know if my spray bottle's gonna work anymore. I think it may be broken. Gotta get the pro circuit. That's definitely slick. So like on this metal, it's definitely, I can feel it. It's definitely working. Buff it off. All right, we're done. Now we can throw the bottle. Let's go ride. So for today, we're gonna have a total of 3 tests to test out if you should put a ceramic coating on your dirt bike, just like I did. Number 1 is gonna be the most scientific. Well, it's stuck, so it failed test number 1. To my calculations, it looks like it's still on there. Well, that was fast. The mud we're in today is real thick and gooey. So test number 1, it did not work. If you're planning at throwing soft, icky mud on your motorcycle, don't ceramic coat it. You're just gonna waste your time. On to test number 2. So you're probably wondering, Ryan, what the heck kind of test was that? Well, stick with me because the second one and what ceramic coating is best at, I guess you could say, is water. I'm gonna test it and see if water beads off of my dirt bike plastics or if it stays on there. I guess let's find a puddle and go blitz it. The mud is super gooey here, dude. Like, it's hard to ride, but there is some good puddles, like this one right here. Oh, I'm sliding. Look how, dude, that is crazy. I don't even have any knobbies left. The water is indeed beating off of it. I see it right here. It is beating up, which is what the ceramic coating is supposed to do. So technically, if you ran through mud, not this kind of ooey gooey mud, but that liquidy kind of water mud, kind of like that. If you went through that, it would basically beat up on your plastics and basically fall right off. When you spray a hose to it, it'll come right off, which is another test we're gonna be doing. So stay tuned. I gotta get some of this mud off of my tires. Oh, that is, I'm sliding out. I have to do that every time to clean my tire off, or else I just slide around. Dude, it's hard to ride out here. Honestly, from what I can tell, the water on here, not the mud, the water is beating up, which is, like I said, what it's supposed to do. I don't think this mud is helping anything. It fails on mud. Let's move on. Let's go ride. And at the end, we're going to spray these things off and see how easy they clean, because that's a huge part. Mud is going to stick whether you do something or not. How it comes off is what matters. So let's go ride. What I'm noticing so far is that the mud is really only sticking to the parts other than the plastic. Obviously, you're going to have mud on the fenders, on the seats, even on the shrouds, but there's not that much for how much mud I was riding in. And I didn't really realize it till I got back to the truck. The whole bike is dirty, but the plastics are not. It's like a cookie, dude. It's like, I don't know, it's like cake. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bike on the trails and we're gonna go basically get it muddy again. We're gonna go haul ass for a little bit and then come back and wash this thing off and see how it does. I'm just gonna take this trail, I guess. Woo! This is fun, dude. I forgot how rocky this place is. Some mud. Gotta go through that. Ooh, slow it down, Bobby. Which way do I go? Which way do I go? Left or right? Right. Get right. There's some more single track. I've already ruined this bike enough over summer. I'm not gonna ruin it in single track right now. Ooh, right here's slick. Oh! Whee! Neutral reds. Oh, let's hit the mud. Woo, it's coming in hot. You know, most of the time I ride, I try to avoid the mud so I don't have to pressure wash it off. But like, for the video, I'm just trying to get this thing muddy. I mean, it's doing good so far. No bark busters, can't get that close. Oh, what is this, a hill climb? Nice, that was actually kind of fun. More mud. Oh, that one was kind of deep. Is this another hill climb? Oh no, they got it blocked off. I was about to run up into that thing and just clothesline myself. Ooh, switchback. Ooh, slow down, slow down, slow down. This bike's too damn fast. Another hill climb? Yes, please. Nice. I gotta tighten my chain. Huh, which way do I go? Another hill climb? I'm getting so lucky. Oh, big rut. Oh, not rut. Limb. Not limb, root. God. Where the hell am I? Ow! What the? Where did I go? Getting off balance. Like one spray of water, this is all gone. So it's working, just not better than something like SC1. Honestly, I don't know. I'm gonna have to keep riding and see how it sprays off. Gotta shift down. There you go. Why did you stop? Go, keep going. There you go. Go, hey, go around the outside so you don't get wet. There you go. No way. No shot that just happened. Gotta do it to the newbie, dude. It's his initiation. Well, he tried to do it back to me. Hey, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Are you mad at me? I'm sorry.
Oh,
I'm yeah.
Oh yeah. My cock is soaked.
It's your initiation. It's happened to all of us. That's what I said. I was like, that's his initiation. I wasn't gonna do it, and then I saw it, and I was like, oh. It was so fucking. I looked back, and I saw a wave just.
I wouldn't see that.
We'll watch it on the way back. All right, let's keep going. What'd you do?
I popped on my balls.
You what?
I popped up and I went. skadoosh.
Why are you pushing it? Ride it out. You went skadoosh on your balls.
I'm not gonna have children.
You picked the worst line. Buddy, crank the bike and use its power to push it up the hill. This is pitiful. You got it. I believe in you. This is so much fun for me. What'd you do? Did you whiskey throttle into a tree?
Maybe.
You're determined to get this. I can tell. You're not holding the brake, are you?
Maybe.
What are you doing? You were doing so well earlier and then you just threw it out and just started being goofy again. Do not. I thought you were gonna throw that at me. No. I blocked that. That was sick. Don't think about it too hard, just go. Stay right. Keep going, keep going. Did you hit that rock right there?
Yeah.
Why are you not? I don't know what is happening right now. There you go. Oh! Yeah, see I was talking about how the roots grab you and throw you? Yeah. You ghost rotor. That's pretty good form. You know what's not pretty good form? The way you ride that motorcycle. You hit my eyeball. I did splash you. I don't know if you're coordinated enough for this sport.
I'm really coordinated.
Really? I'm kidding with you. You did fine. Why are you so mean to me? You're a bully. All right, time to go home. Let's go wash these things off. It's had time to dry, so basically that would be like simulating like basically driving home from the track. I don't know what. I'm gonna spray you if you don't get out of the way. All right, so let's see. Does this come off easily or not? Yo, actually, shouldn't spray in there. That's my airbox. It's coming off so easy without a pressure washer.
Yeah, it's fun.
Like it didn't stick to it at all. It was on there, it just didn't stick. And all I'm using is a hose. Damn, okay. It did really good. The bike's almost clean and I'm spraying it on other parts where I didn't ceramic coat and it's sticking. So it did its job. Now here's the thing. SC1 is basically a ceramic coating for plastic and for dirt bikes and UTV side-by-sides. That's what it's made for. It's made for plastic. Is this an option if you don't have SC1? Absolutely. Would I use it over SC1? Probably not, because SC1 is going to keep the mud off better. However, you have to use more of it every time you ride. It definitely worked, but it's not made for this. It's made for cars. It's made for paint. If you have a Harley, if you have a sport bike, all day, ceramic coat that bitch. But this, if you're at SC1, use it. If you're not at SC1, use SC1. It'll be better. All right, we're done washing. Time to go home. Bye.